Hello everyone, this is Isabel from the Technical Services window with another tip of the week, setting up Adobe Premiere. To begin, you'll have to open up EditShare and log in with your school login. Once you are in EditShare, be sure to mount the proper drives. We use EditShare because it saves storage on the computer. Every William Paterson student is given only 5 GB of space on the computers, and using EditShare takes the media and projects you want to create and uploads them into a shared cloud, instead of directly onto the computer. You can check how much storage you have left on the computer in the top right corner of the screen where it says Quota Status. Before opening Premiere, you must make sure that you have created a folder with your name in EditShare. If you have not done so, go into the Finder window and open up the correct EditShare drive. Once that is open, go to the top of the Finder window and click on the settings icon, then select New Folder, giving it your name as the title. Next, go into that folder and create 2 new folders titled Project and Media. Your project files will go into the project folder, and any media, such as audio or video, will go into the media folder. Once you have mounted the proper drives and created your EditShare folder, you can open up Adobe Premiere. If this is your first time logging into the Adobe suite on the computer, you will be asked to sign in. To do so, once again, use your school login. Once you have Premiere open, select New Project. A new window will appear asking you to name and set the location of your project. Be sure to set the location to your project folder in EditShare. Before continuing, make sure the scratch disk locations are set as same as project. Then hit OK. Once that is done, you will want to set the media cache. To do so, go under the Premiere Pro tab at the top left corner. Go down to Preferences, then down to Media Cache. Then set your media cache as the same location as your project, the project folder in EditShare. The media cache is different versions of imported audio and video that allow Premiere to access it easily. To import media using the media browser, go to the project window in the bottom left corner and select Media Browser. You will be given a list containing the local drives, network drives, and the Creative Cloud. Your EditShare space will be under the network drives. Once you select the proper drive, you will find the folder with your name on it. Select it, and then select the media folder, where your media should be. From there, you can import what you would like by pressing the Command key on your keyboard and clicking on the media you want. Once you have done that, right-click or hit Ctrl on your keyboard, click, and select Import Media. Then your media will be in the Premiere project and you are ready to begin editing. This has been your TSW Tip of the Week. For more tips on Adobe Premiere and other software, check out some of our other videos here on our YouTube channel, and be sure to subscribe.